to my YouTube channel, and I'll be talking about how you'll be able to position yourself and the posture which you need to actually use, and the kind of passport or the picture photograph you need to use for completion of your Verychat KYC. So first and foremost, let me quickly show you something. So anytime you always log in your Verychat, remember that the KYC is not rolled to everybody at the same time. It is based on batch by batch, but it will actually take 3 to 4 days before everything will actually be completed. So you will have a lot of time to actually complete it. So anytime you log in, always check at the bottom of this your mining section. You will see a kind of a banner for your KYC. I've not actually been invited, but I do not actually need the KYC because I have a node. And for everyone who has a node, they must have done the wallet KYC. So for those who have actually done that, we only need to submit a form, which is the migration form, which is I'll also be sharing in this particular video. So don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification and enter upload another new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, I'll be dropping the link is shown and also in the comment section of this particular video. And if you want to start this particular project, so you could get qualified for the third round, which will be coming and it will be announced, and I'll also be sharing the information on my YouTube channel here. I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this video. So let's go down to the video. So this is the migration guide actually. So all this one I've actually shared it in my previous video, which you must have watched before you be able to understand this particular. So you just say which ID can I be used. So this is it. Anyone that is unprinted, that is like the NIN, it will not be accepted. Look at the picture frame that will actually be accepted. So how to take your photo, you have to show your face with your government ID card on your hand. So you have to actually give somebody to actually help you take the picture, kind of a shoulder shot picture. Then you have to scan that particular government ID card, which will be the second one. Then after that, this is it now. This is it. Shot in a well place free of glares and shadow. Keep all four corners of the ID inside the frame and focus on the text is clearly readable. So all this one now is not accepted because the text are not actually readable. Cannot be compared with this other one, and you can see it is somehow blurred, and you can see this other one why it's not actually acceptable. You could see the face is not actually showing very well. You could see this one now blurred. You could see this one, the rail of light is not actually clear. You could see all these ones. So try as much as possible to be careful of them, and I'll be dropping this guide description and also in the comment section so that you can just read it for you to be able to position yourself so that you will not get, because if you get rejected into like KYC, you have actually to wait till the next period when the KYC will be made available, which will be a very strong something that may not be actually be okay with every one of you. So for those who have completed node or the first KYC, because this is not the first KYC. There are people that have actually completed the first KYC, and there are other categories who have actually done node, because if you have node, you must have done KYC also for your wallet. So you do not need to redo KYC. However, to receive your migration, you must submit migration request separately. So anytime I've received my KYC invitation, I will be creating a particular video on how to actually submit this your migration request, because if you have not and you not submit this your migration request, I'm sorry, you won't be able to actually get your token migrated. So migration form is different from your KYC. These are the frequently asked questions that you can actually read. I do not see the KYC banner. They have question, what is KYC? Just go through them and be able to get equipped with what you need to know about this particular KYC. What I could just advise everyone is just try as much as possible not to be left behind in this particular Verychat KYC that will be taking place starting from 13th of July. So if this was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification to get to upload another video. Thank you and bye bye for now.